this video what we're going to do is we're going to be looking at how to calculate sitting height. Okay, so when we're calculating peak height velocity, it's really important that the two factors that the two factors that we need to measure is standing height and then sitting height as well. Now I forgot to mention in the other video that it's really important to not just measure the sitting height or the standing height just one time. It's more beneficial to do it 3 times to get a little bit more of an accurate reading of their actual standing and sitting height. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly what I need to do. So I'm going to be sitting on a desk, and the desk is going to be close to the wall. My feet are going to be at like a 90-degree angle from the desk, and my shoulder is going to be against the wall. So I'm just going to slide on over. I'm going to get myself into my position here, where my knees are dangling off the desk. I'm going to be sitting up nice and tall, and then again, what I want to do is I want to make sure that my ear socket is in line with my orbital bone here, or my eye socket, and then I'm going to measure my position again, kind of in that Frankfurt position. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a deep breath in. I'm going to bring the box all the way down so I feel like it's in the middle position of my head, and then I'm going to mark it off. Again, it's much more beneficial to do this exercise when you have an extra person, because it's a little bit more harder to actually measure the actual exercise or measure the actual sitting height or standing height by yourself, as I say, and then you also want to make sure that you're trying to get that Frankfurt position correct. Again, the most important thing is as well that we try to do this at least 3 times to get an average of our standing height and then our sitting height, and then that will give us a much more accurate reading for our peak height velocity. Just also wanted to quickly mention, guys, that when we calculate or when we get that point of contact at the top of our head when we're doing our sitting height, we get our measuring tape and we measure from the top point of where we are all the way down to the desk. Okay, so I'm going to show you, let's say for example, this is my point of contact here, and all I do is I get my measurement tape and I bring it all the way down to the desk, and that calculates your actual sitting height. Okay, again, it's best off to do this 3 times to get an average or to get a better understanding of your actual sitting height.